How to upgrade to Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum. So if you would like to upgrade your Tinder account, this video is for you. So first open the Tinder app and you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the bottom right corner where it says profile. After tapping on it, your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on your screen. Simply tap on the subscriptions option located right here next to My Boost. After tapping on it, you'll have 3 options: Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum, and there are different time durations as well. So simply choose your ideal subscription plan, and after choosing, you'll see continue on the bottom of your screen, and after tapping on it, it will ask you for a payment method, and this is it. This is how you can upgrade to Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.